Up absolutely flat for the equity market, so I think we're snapping that 8-day gaining streak for the index. But mind you, it's no deep gashes, it's just about mild with a negative bias. 11,928 on the Nifty. The SENSEX still holding out in the green by the time we wrap up, just by this sliver. You've got the broader markets, the mid-cap index in particular, that's seeing a cut of about 0.5%, and the small-cap index flat with a negative bias. Pharma, the PSU banks, auto as well as FMCG, real estate, MNCs all go home with gashes, while IT is your smart mover, energy too, adding in to the gains. In terms of what we've seen on the frontline indices, then you've got the likes of Cipla that have had a bit of a rough run. Take a look at Adani Ports, 2.5% off. Titan in the red, Divi's Laboratories, Sun Pharma losing steam, the HDFC Twins too. You've got ICICI Bank that wraps up at about 395. Bajaj Finance, ITC, L&T, M&M, as well as IndusInd Bank are some of the other stocks in the red. On the flip side though, IT clearly holding out, so HCL Tech, Infosys as well as Tech Mahindra showing you traction. You've got gains for Reliance Industries at 2282, something like JSW Steel, HDFC Life, Bajaj Auto, Britannia, they managed to gain in trade. All eyes on Wipro then. The IT heavyweight is likely to post a healthy set of Q2 numbers despite disruptions from COVID. And you've got a focus as well on the buyback strategy and their growth guidance for Q3. Some of those banks as well in focus as the moratorium case will be heard in the Supreme Court. This is seeking a waiver on the interest of loans during the moratorium period. You had the telecom data which came out, and Vodafone Idea clearly was the only one that managed to lose subscribers in the July period. Jio was the first company to cross the 400 million subscriber mark, and Airtel too added about 3 million wireless subscribers in the month of July. Vedanta as well, after yesterday's slam dunk, continues to remain in focus. Remember, they said that the bid to delist Vedanta has not been successful. They're reiterating unflinching commitment to India, and they're launching a delisting bid now to garner that 134 crore shares. That was a mammoth task. Meantime, you also have something like Alembic Pharma that's been a newsmaker. One of their units, Reason, has been in a licensing pact with Curon Biopharmaceutical, and that's kept the company in focus. Broader markets, it's been a lackluster show today. It's a slight degree of underperformance by the time we wind down. In fact, a whole host of names here as well that are in the red: Repco Home, Karur Vysya, DCB, SH Kelkar, LIC Housing, Z Entertainment, EIL, as well as Cipla and REC.